Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, comparison statements in Python language. What are the comparative statements? How we are going to comparing between two variables, two assigned values, or any of the two or more by using logical operators or any using operators. How it's going to be the session. We'll see more details in this video session. Watch it. Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about comparison operators. In Python language, we require sometimes in a program to compare to two different type of values, whether it is compared as per our standard and requirement. Then we will go further for the continuation of the execution too. Based on the condition, we will show you the output. We will see the basic comparison, how it will goes with a simple example. The example we will discuss about it. If the temperature is greater than 30, then this is the basic requirement I have prepared for you to understand easily. And if it is a temperature is greater than 30, it's a hot day. Otherwise, if it is a less than 10, then it is cold day. Otherwise, we can populate a message. It's neither hot or cold. Okay, let's see the program how it would be. Using the if statements, we can simplify the program. In Python, it's very easy. See, first of all, I'm declaring temperature. Temperature is equal to 30. I'm taking as a default value. Otherwise, you can take it as a user inputs also. And if statement I'm writing here, and if the temperature greater than 30. Simple. My first statement is it's going to be here. And what I want to print it is, I'll say straight away, the print is, it's a single quotes I'm going to write here. Otherwise, you can take a first if is also there, no? Then you go for it. It's this is the purpose I'm taking double quotes. It's hot, right? And you will go with the print now. Execute it. See now, it's a temperature is 30 only. We have defined it, and if I defined 31 as a temperature, it's a prints like it's a hot day. Have you seen this? Have you seen this? If temperature is 31, I have declared here and it's printing. Otherwise, if it is in a 30 only, I'm mentioning here greater than 30 means if it is above 30 only, it is in a hot day. All right. Now, if I executed here, see, there is a no message. In the sense, the condition is not satisfying. All right. And now we will see here. The one more condition, it is that. Otherwise, there is a condition which we have to populate that message. It's not a cool day, like it's not a hot day. All right. Now, if and else, this is the part you have to strongly remember that where I am written if condition, if the statement I've written, see here, I've written if Python IDE how the verification is here to write in a syntax is like basic understanding. If temperature greater than 30 and I use colon, press enter. The cursor automatically will take an appropriate position. And if condition, we need to write there, right? I'm writing the printing of the message, whether it is not satisfied. If satisfied above, then it will print the hot day. Yeah, this is the way. And if else part, if you want to write, take an enter at the end and come to the if position place, 0 position place at the line, and here you have to write else condition. Now if I press enter, the cursor is blinking with the printing position, the statement position. Now what is my requirement to write here? Simply using double quotes, and it's not hot day. That's it. It's not hot day. That's it. If it is an above 30, it will print like a hot day. If it is not, it will say that it's not hot day. In my case, it's in 30. I am passing, and it's not above 30, and it's showing to else, passing to the else condition, and it's printing it's not hot today. You see here it's not hot today. If my value is 31, now here you go. If I execute it, it's in a hot today. All right. This is a simply comparing the statement using this operators. And using the if else condition statements, we can easy to write and compare the statements and all. And few of I'll give you a few of conditions over here. Like see here, greater than I have mentioned. If greater than or equal to means if I mentioned 30 also, it is in a hot day. See now it's printing. It's a hot day. See if I mentioned the operator like greater than or equal to, above or equal to also, I can print it in a print, and equal to. There is an equal to is in a comparison between. If it is an equal to the same value is appeared, it would be execute this statement. It's the saying that the condition. All right, it's printing again. It's in a hot day. All right, and one more thing, it's not equal to. Not equal to 30 means if it is 30, what it's showing. See here, and it's saying that not in a hot day. Not equal to 30, then only it's going to this. All right, if temperature not equal to 30, otherwise if it is an equal to 30 means it's in a 30 and it's not 30, it's not hot day. It's not equal to 30 means if I pass 29, we will see what will happens. What you assume that what it will bring? Think about it. It will says that this condition is satisfying. If it is equal to, then it will go. Why? Because not equal to 30 means not equal to 30. If the condition is satisfied, then you will print whether it may be 29 or below or 31 and above. If the 30, if it is in a 30 only, it will goes to here. All right. Likewise, there is a many condition like a comparative operators are there. You can also test it in your case. And one more example I would like to tell you, the simple thing that is a name is less than 3 characters long. Like forms we are going to filing, like filling the forms. And that forms is having name, telephone number, and mobile number and all the things. Like a name I have to enter. My name is like a simple John Rahman, and so something. It's like here crazy names are there, and my requirement is to be the name minimum should be satisfied with the 3 characters, and name between 50 characters only. Just 3 to above is the my criteria is above limitation is 50 characters. That should be in the below 50 characters. Okay, and we will see how to write on this condition of the program. Right. Anyhow, this the program. I'll give you a solutions anyhow with this tutorial. We will see here for the writing of the statement. Just a second. One more statement right here. That see here. If name is less than 3, says its characters are low. Characters long. If below, the message to be populated, and your name must be 3 at least 3 characters, and otherwise one more condition I'm passing here. If it's more than 50 characters, but I can tell that name should be must be below 50 characters. Okay, And otherwise, what I can tell that names looks like a good. Hmm? This is the statement I'm going to be like a print statement is name is good. Yeah. This is what is my requirement. This is the conditions and test cases we need to pass while filing of the application forms, like a registration form, an application form, registration of the username, and a student name the registration, and any of the user who is going to be registering like e-commerce websites and all. Right? This is what is the conditions we are going to be implement right now. You will see here, erase all the things, and now I am declaring name equal to the Python I'm taking over here as a string by default. Yeah, we'll pick this one. Yes. Now see, if I'm straight away predefined on strings we have verified the length, there is a length command method, predefined method is there in Python which we are going to be using here. If length is greater than 3, okay, less than, like a name is less than 3, then what I have to tell, print the message is what I have shown you, that message is your name, like name must be 3 characters length, must be, or at least you can say that 3 length, 3 characters length. All right, and see, my Python is having more than 3, then it will be pass. There is a no 0. If I pass to only py, what will happen? See, the message is name at least 3 characters. The first condition which is satisfied over here, and it's indicating the message also. Press enter, and here you have to mention elif, if else, and one more, if it is there any one more condition is there within the condition of if else conditions, we have to use if elif length of 50 means what is the 50? If it is an above 50, first condition we have verified with the characters of minimum 3 are is there or not, and second condition we are verifying that condition is length if it is in above 50. All right, and the length of 50 here we have to mention name, right, and the name is, name must be below 50 characters. All right, and otherwise what I can say that else colon enter print if my two conditions are satisfying as a my requirement, name is good, I would like to print here. Now see if it is satisfying or not. Name Python, it is in a 6-digit string, and it's all complete, and below it is in a below 50, then it will be print as a name is good. Like now let's see here. See that name is, my input string is Python here, and name is good it's showing. All right, and if I given py only 2-digit only, it will says that name at least 3 characters. This is not satisfying the condition over here, and name at least 3 characters is going to be printing. The same way here, if I entered more than 50 characters, like type something, anything more than 50 characters later, yeah, something I don't know, yes, execute it. See, it must be, yes, something is a typo error is here, like yeah, name must be below 50 characters, it's throwing out, name must be below 50 characters. Why? Because I have given more than 50 characters string over there. All right, if my Python, if I passed by conditions are satisfying, what it's going to be in the output, name is good. This is how you can practice using comparison operators in Python language. Hope you better understand about this scenario and sessions.
Thanks for watching Eagle Education. I hope it will be useful to you. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details regarding these tutorials, watch below. The description of my contact details are available. Thank you.